The highlights of today's defense news, 11th of June 2025. India to induct Tejas A1 variant fighter jet with new Israeli scan technology. Reliance Defence partners with Germany's Diehl Defence to produce 155 precision guided munition system. Indo-Defence 2024 Expo, DRDO showcases future-ready defense technologies in Jakarta. Data Patterns develops advanced X-band transportable precision approach radar. India successfully tests AI-enabled light machine guns in high-altitude terrain. DRDO confirms Netra Mk II to come with advanced side-looking and front-looking AESA radars. In the global highlights, Blighter unveils a long-range smart border surveillance radar system. Roshel to produce ST Engineering's ExtremV vehicle in Canada. 6 European countries signed deal for CV90 purchase. A look at the news in detail. Indian Air Force is set to receive advanced Tejas A1 variant later in June. The jet features an AESA radar developed by ELTA Systems, a subsidiary of Israel Aerospace Industries, replacing an earlier radar model. ELTA is also supplying an advanced electronic warfare system for the aircraft. Pilots will benefit from a state-of-the-art helmet-mounted display developed by Israel's Elbit Systems, while Rafael's radar-guided Derby missiles will arm the aircraft, enhancing its air-to-air combat potential. The AI variant is the first of 83 Tejas jets ordered under a new production contract. Each of these aircraft will be equipped with multi-million dollar Israeli system manufactured in India through joint ventures with local firms. Reliance Defence announced a strategic cooperation agreement with Germany's Diehl Defence to produce Volcano 155 precision guided munition system in India. The production of Volcano 155 ammunition with 60% indigenization and having a range of 70 kilometers will cater to the armed forces as well as feed into the global requirement arising out of ongoing conflicts between Russia and Ukraine and between Israel and Hamas. The partnership is valued at 10,000 crore rupees. Reliance Defence will act as the prime contractor in the partnership, while Diehl Defence will provide core technology and system level expertise. Reliance Defence is setting up a greenfield manufacturing facility in Ratnagiri under the Dhirubhai Ambani Defence City, which will have an annual capacity to produce 2 lakhs artillery shells, 10,000 tons of explosives, and 2,000 tons of propellant. The anticipated revenue breakdown is domestic sales to Indian Armed Forces will be around 6,500 crores, supply of Volcano 155 precision guided munitions for artillery systems like M777 howitzers and K9 Vajras, replacement of US origin Excalibur munitions, reducing import dependency. Exports to global markets may be around 2,500 crores, targeting demand from conflict zones such as Russia, Ukraine, and Israel Hamas. Expansion into Southeast Asia, Middle East, and European defense markets. Indigenous manufacturing and technology licensing may be around 1,000 crores, establishing a greenfield facility in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, licensing agreements for propellant and explosive production with Rheinmetall AG. DRDO is participating in the Indo-Defence 2024 exhibition in Jakarta from June 11th to 14th as part of India Pavilion and is showcasing some of its cutting-edge technologies including Astra Mark I missile, remotely operated vehicle Daksh, low-frequency dunking sonar, airborne early warning and control system, wheeled armored platform, Varunastra heavy-weight torpedo and man-portable anti-tank guided missile. The precision approach radar developed by Data Patterns is part of a contract awarded by the Ministry of Defence for the installation and commissioning of 9 power systems at Indian naval air stations and Indian Air Force stations. The total contract value was around 380 crore rupees. The data patterns transportable precision approach radar, specifically the DPRDR 8044 model, is an advanced X-band radar system designed to provide highly accurate guidance for aircraft during the critical approach and landing phases. Developed using state-of-the-art phased array technology, this radar features electronic beam steering capabilities in both azimuth and elevation axis, allowing for precise tracking and positional information of aircraft relative to the desired glide angle and runway approach path. This technology is particularly valuable for enhancing flight safety during terminal stages of landing, especially under adverse weather conditions or limited visibility where traditional visual cues are insufficient. The system operates by actively scanning the airspace and supplying real-time range and deviation data to air traffic controllers, who then communicate necessary course and altitude corrections to the pilots. This top-down method ensures that the pilots receive continuous, accurate instructions without the need for additional onboard equipment. The radar can function as a standalone unit or as a part of comprehensive ground control approach system, which may include surveillance radar for broader situational awareness. PAR is designed for continuous round-the-clock operation. The radar employs airborne moving target indication processing, and its data is presented on modern LCD touchscreen displays for ease of use by controllers. India has taken a significant leap in modernizing its military capabilities by successfully testing an artificial intelligence enabled light machine gun system in the high altitude terrain. The trials, conducted at an elevation of 14,000 feet in collaboration with the Army, feature the AI powered Negev LMG developed by Dehradun based BSS Materials. This system showcased its ability to autonomously identify and engage targets in the challenging conditions typical of India's mountainous border regions, making a crucial advancement for operations. The AI integrated Negev LMG maintained stable target acquisition, adaptive fire control, and semi-autonomous surveillance throughout the tests. At the heart of the system is a sophisticated multi-sensor AI module which enables automatic target detection, friend foe classification, and real-time engagement. This technological core is supported by advanced features such as thermal and optical sensor fusion for precision targeting, ballistic compensation for wind range and temperature, and encrypted remote command compatibility. The Netra Mk II airborne early warning and control system, developed by DRDO, will feature advanced side-looking and front-looking AESA radars. This next-generation platform is designed to enhance India's aerial surveillance and command capabilities, providing near 360-degree radar coverage. The side-looking AESA radar enables wide area surveillance, improving detection of aerial threats. The front-looking AESA radar replaces conventional weather radar, enhancing forward detection capabilities. The gallium nitride transmit-receive modules improve the detection range, tracking accuracy, and resistance to electronic countermeasures. The platform mounted on ex-Air India Airbus A321 aircraft, leveraging existing airframes for cost efficiency. Indian Air Force plans to convert 6 A321 into AEW and C platforms, with deliveries expected between 2027 and 28. This upgrade builds on the success of the Netra Mk I, which operates on the Embraer ERJ-145 platform with a 240-degree radar coverage. Netra Mk II AEW and C system is estimated to cost around 11,000 crore rupees. And now some global news. UK-based Blighter has unveiled its longest-range smart border surveillance radar system, which can detect a human from 15 kilometers away. Having a longer detection range allows earlier interception of intruders, saving costs for border security operators. The Blighter 422LR, that is long range, requires just 4 watts of power to operate, the same amount that is required by a mobile phone or an LED light bulb, and can monitor an area of 707 square kilometers. Roshel has signed an agreement with Singapore's ST Engineering to produce the ExtremV amphibious all-terrain vehicles in Canada. The ExtremV is a key candidate for Canada's domestic Arctic mobility enhancement program, which seeks a replacement for the aging BV-206 fleet for military and emergency response teams. Roshel will lead the vehicle's domestic production and engage Canadian-owned business to procure key components. On 5th of June 25, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Lithuania, Estonia, and the Netherlands signed a statement of intent to explore a potential joint procurement of CV-90 armored infantry fighting vehicles. The signing took place in connection with the meeting of NATO Ministers of Defence. The initiative aligns with Finland's government defence report aiming to enhance infantry firepower and mobility, replacing aging equipment, and significantly increasing combat vehicle numbers in response to the current threat environment. In addition to vehicles, the possible procurement would include training equipment, spare parts, and munitions. Joint procurement is intended to deliver volume benefits, improve compatibility and interoperability, and strengthen security of supply. The project is also expected to offer deeper cooperation opportunities related to other CV-90 products and could potentially support Ukraine with CV-90 fighting vehicles. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.